Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is second day of Navaratri in Sri Sharvari Nama Samvatsara. So today we thought of reading out Tripura Sundari Ashtakam, Tripura Sundari Ashtakam, Tripura Sundari, Tripura Asura, Tripurantaka. So Shiva and Devi. From a yogic perspective, what are Tripuras, or three cities, are the three nadis, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. So Tripura Sundari Ashtakam of deep significance in Vidya, Shyamala Tattvam is well established in this stotra of Srimad Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya, none other than Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya. So Ashtakam, this is a 8 stanzas, what it is there in that. Kadamba Vanacharinim, Muni Kadamba Kadambinim, Nitamba Jita Bhudharam, Sura Nitambini Sevitam, Navamburuha Lochanam, Abhinavambuda Syamalam, Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. So most of the slokas use this last line, Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye, as the Makutam. Kadambavana Charinim, Kadambavana, where Devi lives. Muni Kadamba Kadambinim, Muni Kadamba, group of Munis, Kadamba Kadambinim. So the galaxy of Rishis, or Kadamba of the Rishis, Muni Kadamba Kadambinim. So the galaxy of Rishis, the sages, just like the sages are in the group of clouds. So Muni Kadamba Kadambinim. Nitamba Jita Bhudharam, Sura Nitambini Sevitam. So the Apsarasas, Sura Nitambini Sevitam, are serving her. Navamburuha Lochanam, new lotus, Nava Amburuha Lochanam, Abhinavambuda Syamalam, a dark cloud, Syamala, Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Kadamba Vanavasinim, Kanaka Vallika Dharinim, Maharha Mani Harinim, Mukha Samulasad Dwarinim, Daya Vibhava Karinim, Visada Rochana Charinim, Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Kadamba Vanavasinim. So Kadamba Vanacharinim is used in the first thing. Again Kadamba Vanavasinim. Kanaka Vallaki Dharinim, having golden veena, Vallaki Dharinim. Maharha Maniharinim, Maha Arha Maniharinim, precious gems, Maharha Maniharinim, Nandmani Hara. Mukha Samullasad Varinim. So Mukha Samullasad Varinim. So from her ambrosia is coming out of her face, or a speech. Daya Vibhava Karinim. So she causes the Daya and Vibhava, both. Prosperity, Daya Vibhava Karinim. By her Daya, Vibhava Karinim. Prosperity comes. Visadalochinim Charinim, Visadalochana Charinim. There are 2 pathas of this. Visadalochanim Charinim, Visadharochana Charinim. So makes different types of affluences or great things. Vitarochana Charini. Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim, Ashraye. Trilochana Kutumbinim, Tripura Sundarim, Ashraye. Ashraye, I take refuge. Kadambavana Shalaya, Kuchabharollasan Malaya, Kuchopamita Shailaya, Kuchopamita Shailaya, Guru Krupala Sadvelaya, Madaruna Kapolaya, Madhura Gita Vachalaya, Kayapi Ghanalilaya, Kavachita Vayam Lilaya. Kayapi Ghanalilaya, Kavachita Vayam Lilaya. So here Vayam, we, Lilaya Kavachita. So she wears a shield around her. Lilaya Kavachita. But Divine Mother, does she need a shield around her? Lilaya Kavachita Vayam, Lilaya Kavachita Kayapi Ghananilaya Kavachita. So Kucha Rucho, Kucha Bharollasan Malaya, Kuchopamita Sailaya. So she feeds everyone here. Kuchopamita Sailaya. Mountains, from the mountains all the waterfall. So this for the Bhudevi also in the early morning sloka we always use this. So all the nourishment comes from her. Kayapi Ghanalilaya. Kadambavana Madhyagam Kanaka Mandalopasthitam Shadamburuha Vasinim Satata Siddha Saudaminim Vidambita Japaruchim Vikacha Chandra Chudamanim Trilochana Kutumbinim Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Kadambavana Madhyagam. Again, in the middle of Kadambavana, Tripura Sundarim Ashraye. Shadamburuha Vasinim. 6 lotuses. Lives in 6 lotuses. Again, what are these 6 lotuses again? The 6 lotuses are 6 chakras which are there in a psyche of the individual. Sadamburuha Vasinim Satata Siddha Saudaminim. Like a lightning, bright lightning for the Siddhas. Satata Saudaminim Siddha. Satata Siddha Saudaminim. So it is not lightning comes and goes, but it is a lightning, blinding lightning for the Siddhas. Satata Siddha Saudaminim. Vidambita Japaruchim Vikacha Chandra Chudamanim. Chandra Chudamani. Always Chandra is mind. Vikacha Chandra Chudamani. Kacha is clouded. Non-clouded, without clouds, Chandra Chudamani. So she wears the moon or the mind as an ornament. Clear mind. Siddhas. So that is what is given in the 4th sloka. Kuchanchita Vipanchikam Kutila Kuntalaalankrutam Kusesaya Nivasinim Kutila Chitta Vidveshinim Madaruna Vilochanam Manasijari Sammohinim Matanga Muni Kanyakam Madhura Bhashinim Ashraye. So Kuchanchita Vipanchikam Kutila Kuntalaalankrutam. The Veena, Vipanchika. The Veena is at her Kuchan on the bosoms. Kutila Kuntalaalankrutam, the hair, the curly hair, Kutila Kuntalaalankrutam. Kusesaya Nivasinim, again lotus. There is a 1,000 petal lotus, Kusesaya Nivasinim. Kutila Chitta Vidveshinim, whose mind is wicked. Kutila Chitta Vidveshinim. She is an enemy for those who have evil minds. Kutila chitta vidveshinim madaruna vilochanam manasi jari sammohinim. Madaruna vilochanam, she is having red eyes. Madaruna, Aruna vilochanam, eyes in reddened eyes, that is Vera Rasa. Vilochanam, Manasija Ari Sammohinim. So Cupid's enemy is Shiva. Shiva's Sammohinim. Who can delude or Shiva? Who can captivate Shiva? Manasijari Sammohinim. Matanga Muni Kanyakam. Matanga Muni Maharshi's Kanyaka, the daughter of sage Matanga. Madhura Bhashinim Asraye. Madhura Bhashinim. Sweet speech, very sweet speech, one who has sweet speech. Smaret prathama pushpinim rudhira bindu nilambaram gruhita madhupatrikam madhavighurna netranchalam ghanasthana bharonnatam galita chulikam syamalam trilochana kutumbinim tripura sundarim ashraye. Smara prathama pushpini. Smara is the Cupid again, Manmatha. Prathama pushpini, the first flower of Manmatha. Who bears the first flower of Manmatha? So, who is the support for Manmatha actually? Who bears the first flower of Manmatha? Rudirabindu Nilambaram, of garment of red and Rudirabindu, of spotted in red, but Nilambaram, dark ambaras, dress. Gruhita Madhupatrikam, holds a Madhupatra. Madhu is nectar, nectar's patra. Madhavidhurna netranchalam, eyes are imbibed by that Vighurna netranchalam. Ghanastana bharonnatam galita chulikam syamalam trilochana kutumbinim tripura sundarim ashraye. This next sloka is used as a dhyana sloka for multiple places wherever Divine Mother is used. This comes in this Tripura Sundari Ashtakam. Sakunkuma vilepanam alakachimba chumbikasturikam samanda hasitekshanam sasara chapa pasankusham asesha jana mohinim arunamalya bhushambaram japa kusuma bhasuram japavidhau smaram yambikam. Ambikam, Mother. So kunkuma vilepanam, kunkuma vilepana, having kunkuma smeared on her. Alaka chumbi kasturikam, kasturi is also smeared on her. Samanda hasite kshanam, manda hasita ikshanam. So with a beautiful smile, manda hasite kshanam. Sa sera chapa pasa ankusham. Seramu, chapamu, pasamu, ankusam. These four things holding in the four hands. Asesha jana mohinim, deluding the entire Asesha jana mohinim, who are in the Maya. Aruna malya bhusham bharam, Aruna malya bhusha ambaram, with golden malya ambaras. Several malas and ambaras, decorating the body with arunamalya and red garments, red color. Japa kusuma bhasuram. So all aruna, japa kusuma is bright red. Japa kusuma bhasuram. Japa vidhau smarami ambikam. In my japa vidhi, I hold on to. Smara is to memorize. I memorize that rupa of Sakunkuma Vilepanam, read again. Alika Chumbika Sturikam, Samanda Hasitekshanam, Sasaracha Papa Sankusam, Asesha Janamohini, Arunamalya Bhushambaram, Japakusuma Bhasuram, Japavidho Smaram Yambikam. Purandhrikam, Chukura Bandha Sairindhrikam, Pitamaha Pativratam, Patapatira Chercharatam, Mukunda Ramani Manim, Lasadalankriya Karinim, Bhajami Bhuvanambikam, Suravadhutika Chetikam. So Tripura Sundari, taking three aspects. Purandara, Purandhrikam, Bhuvanambikam, the first thing, Bhajami Bhuvanambikam, Suravadhutika Chetikam. I do the bhajana, Bhajami, Bhuvanambikam, the mother of the worlds, not individuals, the whole world, mother of the worlds. Bhajami Bhuvanambikam. Who is she? Purandara Purandhrikam. So Purandara is Indra's Purandhrikam. Chikurabandha Sairandhrikam. So Chikurabandha Sairandhrikam, the celestial queen. Pitamaha Pativratam, consort of Lord Brahma. Patapatira Chercharatam. One patira is sandal paste. Patapatira Chercharatam. So interested in using this sandal paste. Mukunda Ramani Manim. Mukunda Ramani Manim, consort of Vishnu. Lasad Alankrata Karinim, Mukunda Ramani Manim, Lasad Alankriya Karinim. So all the alankaras, all the gems, Alankriya Karinim, Suravadhutika Chetikam. So all the celestial Vadhutikas are the damsels serving her. Bhuvanambikam Bhajami. Very interestingly, this Ashtakam don't have a specific phalasruti. So in all other Ashtakas, all other stotras, Shankara Bhagavad typically gives a verse at the end saying that this stotra gives such and such results or whatever it is. In this there is no such thing. So there is no visible result attributed to this stotra. So this Ashtakam is predominantly signified or used in the yoga aspects of Tripura Sundari Ashtakam. Shyamala is the primary deity who has been taken in this as Shyamala as Tripura Sundari. Tripura Sundari Ashtakam on the day 2 of Navaratri. May one and all gain, so without a specific result, this can give any result as one deems fit to get from the Divine Mother. Swasti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.